some of the characteristics of mercy. The mercies of God endure forever. They don't run out. You can run out of anything, but the mercies of God do not run out. They are new every morning. In spite of what is going on with you, the mercies of God that endure forever will deliver you. We also know that the mercies of God cannot be earned, but they flow out of the fountain of his love and compassion, according to his will, according to his plan and purpose. The mercy of God is not a function of who you are or where you are. It has nothing to do with your location, your status in life. No matter where you are on the surface of this earth, the mercy of God will locate you and seek you out. No matter what the enemy is doing in your life, the mercy of God will penetrate and seek you out. Right where you are. And of course, the mercy of God has no limitation. It's not limited by your gender, by your background, education, or qualification, or nationality. That is why anything can happen. God can do anything for you. God does not seek the opinion of anyone to bless you. Another characteristic is that the mercy of God is not a function of your ability.